What if you could build a permanent monthly income stream on Etsy without designing a single thing yourself? No Photoshop, no Canva, no digging through keywords for hours, and definitely without ever showing your face on camera. Today, we're looking at EtsyEmpire AI. It claims to scan Etsy for low competition niches, create 20 to 50 print-ready designs, write complete search-optimized listings, and publish them automatically in just one sitting. Is this tool actually a legitimate business builder or just another overhyped AI generator? Let us break down everything you need to know in this review for App Verdict. Here is my honest, quick verdict. Most AI graphic tools leave you staring at a blank screen, guessing what to prompt. EtsyEmpire AI is totally different because it handles the actual market research first. It finds gaps where people are already spending money, builds the products for those gaps, and handles the SEO. If you want to build a portfolio of digital assets on Etsy without taking weeks to learn graphic design, this $17 tool is an absolute steal. So what exactly is EtsyEmpire AI? It's a cloud-based software designed for complete beginners, side hustlers, and anyone who wants passive income without managing physical inventory. The biggest problem with starting an Etsy store is clearing three massive hurdles: knowing what to make, knowing how to design it, and knowing how to write listings so Etsy actually ranks you. EtsyEmpire AI solves all three at once. You pick a niche, click Generate, review the designs, and hit Publish. You keep 100% of your profits, and every printable you list sits on Etsy as a permanent asset that can sell over and over. Let's take a look inside the dashboard to see how simple this process really is. Step 1 is the niche discovery engine. With one click, the system scans Etsy in real time. It hands you a ranked list of profitable, low-competition Etsy printable niches, along with revenue estimates and demand scores. Step 2 is design generation. You pick a niche, select your preferred styles and colors, and click Generate. In just a few minutes, the AI creates 20 to 50 complete print-ready designs. If there's a design you don't like, simply hit Regenerate for a fresh batch. Step 3 is the SEO listing builder. The AI automatically writes keyword-optimized titles, sales-driven descriptions, and populates all 13 Etsy tags to ensure your listing gets search traffic. Step 4 is publishing. You can export everything into a bulk spreadsheet package or use the multi-platform system to push your listings live. The entire loop takes less than 20 minutes. Now let's talk about the optional upgrades in the funnel so you know what to expect. The main front-end software gives you core access for a low early bird price of just $17. The order bump is the 30-day Etsy Success Kit for $17, which helps you fast-track your store setup. OTO1 is unlimited everything for $47. This removes all generation limits, allowing you to create infinite listings and scale your shop faster. This is the upgrade I recommend most. OTO2 is Niche Vault Pro for $67, giving you direct access to pre-vetted high-margin niche data. OTO3 is the Bundle Builder for $47, perfect for grouping single printables into higher-priced packs. Other optional upgrades include the Etsy Domination Pack at $97, the Multi-Platform Publisher at $97, Design Studio Pro at $67, and an agency license at $197 if you want to sell these store-building services to clients. If you decide to grab EtsyEmpire AI today through our link in the description, we've put together an exclusive App Verdict bonus stack valued at over $1,500 to help you drive traffic and maximize your sales. Here is what you're getting completely free when you buy through our link today. Bonus 1. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Scrape winning long-tail keywords across Google, Amazon, and YouTube to multiply your organic reach. Bonus 2. Coupon Wheel. Increase your store conversions by adding interactive discount wheels to your landing pages. Bonus 3. WP Slideshow Master. Create stunning visual galleries and interactive slideshows to showcase your printable designs. Bonus 4, WP Video Focus. Keep your promotional videos locked on screen as users scroll to boost buyer engagement. Bonus 5, Socialtima.
Tap into automated social traffic streams across multiple platforms for free. Bonus 6, As in Plug. Easily embed additional affiliate products into your digital store network for extra revenue. Bonus 7, Action Pull. Segment your target audience to discover exactly what printable templates they want to buy next. Bonus 8, Lead Generation Mastery. Step-by-step training on how to turn casual browsers into repeat buyers. Bonus 9, Two-Step Opt-in Generator. Build high-converting affiliate landing pages to promote your Etsy products off-platform. Bonus 10, 10K ClickFunnels Case Study. Learn the exact strategies used to generate over $10,000 in online commissions. All 10 of these exclusive bonuses will be delivered automatically inside your purchase area right after checkout. Remember to click the first link in the description below to claim this full package. Here is the bottom line. EtsyEmpire AI removes every technical roadblock that stops beginners from making money with digital printables. However, you need to act fast. The $17 launch price is an early bird special. Once this launch window closes, the price will revert to its standard $67 per month subscription. Furthermore, our App Verdicts bonus package is strictly limited to early buyers. Once those bonus spots are filled, this bundle will be taken down permanently. If you're ready to build an automated portfolio of digital assets, click the link in the description below right now to secure your copy along with all 10 custom bonuses before the price increases. Thank you for watching our review on App Verdict. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please smash the like button, drop a comment with any questions you have, and hit subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss another deep dive software review. To claim your product and custom bonuses, click the link down in the description below. Your bonus access link will be delivered directly inside your Warrior Plus receipt area right after your purchase. Go ahead, click that link below, grab your early bird access, and start building your Etsy store today.